Honey, I'm down, down, down. But tell me if you are. Now, now, now. Let's not make it hard. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. We can make this what we've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling, we can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Now, hey. Ready, set, go. I can tell it's time. It's time, hey. Pull you close, your body next to mine. I know that this drives you crazy. I know that you feel alone. I know that you act up lately 'cause you feel so. I know that you're feeling something. I know that this could be love. I know that you ain't so trusting, but I feel so. Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute, we can make this what we've been living. We've been living, and I know you hurt as well, darling. We can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute now. We don't gotta wait. 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 Let's just take this back for a minute. For a minute. We can make this what we've been living. We've been living. And I know you hurt as well, darling. We can be ourselves. Let's just take this back for a minute. Nah, we don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait. We don't gotta wait. I see the weight that's on your shoulders. Autumn leaves, yeah, they change and we feel older. He gave his attention to someone else, thought he could leave your heart on a shelf. You don't need that girl. You couldn't see through all of his lies, him starting the fights and no compromise. You don't need that girl. And I promise you that I won't ever lie. I'll be there for you, baby. You and I can touch the sky. I'll care for you and I'll keep you in my sight. Yeah, I'll be watching, baby, to make sure this love don't die. 'Cause I need you like a bird needs to take flight. And I will love you, baby, I will love you every night. And I promise you I'll stay by your side. Stay by your side. I see he couldn't treat you colder. Those autumn leaves, they change and we feel older. Yeah. He gave his attention to someone else, thought he could leave your heart on a shelf. You don't need that girl. You couldn't see through all of his lies, him starting the fights and no compromise. You don't need that girl. And I promise you that I won't ever lie. I'll be there for you, baby. You and I can touch the sky. I'll care for you and I'll keep you in my sight. Yeah, I'll be watching, baby, to make sure this love don't die. Cause I need you like a bird needs to take flight. And I will love you, baby, I will love you every night. And I promise you I'll stay by your side. Stay by your side. Stay by your side. Stay by your side. Oh. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry. Just because. You said all the words that you could have said. I'm still trying to figure out the ones you meant. Should I take a chance or will I regret this? Yeah. Will I regret it? Text messages still floating around in my head. You said that you changed, yeah, but I'm doubting. Now I'm not that sorry leaving you on red, yeah. Oh, snap. And now my heart is broken into two. I have half, but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't wanna text you that, no. Even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, but I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry. Just because. I just saw that you're out with somebody new. I should have known that something will be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought that you could make me mad. Maybe you're the one who can't move past this. I know the truth can kinda hurt. The sum of you and someone else no isn't your worth. I thought that I could take you at your word, but instead I got my feelings burned. And now my heart is broken into two. I have half, but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't wanna text you that, even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry. Just because. thought she felt the way I did, but she don't. It's cool, I'm not mad. Flip phone back in '07. Texted me after class. Stood there waiting by my locker, go in and out of my head. She came up to me and said it. Let's just be friends. It was just a crush. It wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus, and I know what the reason was. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Shallow, like stepping in the ocean. Who knew she would do me like that? Young heartbreak, never saw it coming. 2 weeks later, she wanted me back. Sent me a semicolon in parentheses, acting like I don't have a memory. These girls bounce back, mama said to me. Mama said to me, it was just a crush. It wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus, and I know what the reason was. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Let me take y'all back. Yo, remember when we spanned the bottle? Said I got them locks just like a model. You're my yesterday, thought you'd be my tomorrow. Motorola in my pocket, used to blow it up. I told you stop it, I don't want it. Crank that Soldier Boy and watch me wobble. Flip flops, white socks, sat down, barber shop, hairline got riggedy rocked. Mom says I look handsome. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Yo, run that back. You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the sixth string, and now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Told me the story of how you met each other. Manhattan for coffee, first stop Pastel place. 5 years later, you walk into the altar, and now she's gonna share our family's name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. I know there's hope for me. In the madness, wherever I may be, love is something you two make me believe. A basement in Brooklyn, the first day I met her. I could see it in your face, she was all that you need. I knew from the moment she was begging you to just sing. She'd be my sister and she would be your everything. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your way. In the madness of New York City, oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. Yeah, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. 'Cause love is something you two make me believe.
Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do-do-do-do. What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath, with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do? Do-do-do-do. What do I do? Do-do-do-do. Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me. The last bite, the last memory of our last night, as I watched you walk away from me. How could I let you leave? How could I let you leave? What do I do? Do-do-do-do. What do I do? Do-do-do-do. Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room. Border collie sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. eyes, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Something about the way that you understand. We don't need a rush and we don't need to make no plans. You say, pace yourself, slow it down. I don't want to waste my days. No one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment, we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. In time. Something about the way you talk with your hands. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No, no. You say it's alright. Take your space if you need a break. And if I need a disconnect, that's okay. This ain't no race. Killing time, you and I. Hours, minutes, days and nights. Trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I. In this moment, we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're in time. Conversations over wine, killing time, you and I. In this moment, we're alive. Infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're killing time. Oh, oh.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved than missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Better feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Look up from your telescope. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms. And it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Don't lie, you're so high in this room. It's alright, 'cause I'm right there with you. And just fly, there's blue skies, and your eyes make suns rise. It's blue skies. Your eyes make suns rise. I don't know where to go. You keep me like a live song when I'm with you. One single place turns into space. I'm holding on to you, and now that you're falling, I wanna come to. I want us to stay here forever, alone in this room. Don't lie, so high in this room, it's alright. 'Cause I'm right there with you and just fine. There's blue skies, and your eyes make suns rise. Don't lie, so high in this room, it's alright. 'Cause I'm right there with you and just fine. There's blue skies, and your eyes make suns rise.
I guess it's time to move on to the next best thing, to the next best thing. Channel all of what went wrong in the coming spring, in the coming spring. So pick up your things, I'll give you one more thing to think about. Leave me empty with arms wide open, and I don't know how you wasted my love, wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave, I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking how you wasted this love, you wasted my love. Well, I guess it's time to move on. Let the love back in. Let the love back in. I'd never ask you to stay, but I never felt a deeper craving. We agreed we would be in separate beds, but to you I got separate men with someone else. So pick up your things, I'll give you one more thing to think about. Leave me empty with arms wide open, and I don't know how you wasted my love, wasted my love, you wasted my love. Yeah, go on, leave, I'm making this a new beginning, and someday you'll be walking all alone and thinking how you wasted this love, you wasted my love. So get up and straight. Take apart and throw away all the models that we painted, all the love that we traded. Get up and straight. Take apart and throw away all the models that we painted, all the love that we traded. Pick up your things, I'll give you everything to think about. Leave me empty, I was wide open, and I don't know why you wasted my love, you wasted my love. So pick up your things, I'll give you one more thing.